back to Mini Mind Explorer. Today I am going to show you one of the special places in Sri Lanka. It is Jaffna Public Library. Jaffna Public Library is one of the most largest and important libraries in Sri Lanka. It was opened in 1933. It is famous for its beautiful white building and calm environment. It had thousands of rare books, manuscripts, and palm leaf writings. Most of the books are written in Tamil. It is a symbol of knowledge, culture, and history. A sad history and hope. In 1981, the Jaffna Public Library was intentionally burned by thugs, and many rare books were lost forever. But later, the library was rebuilt with love and care. Today, it stands as a symbol of hope and learning. Today, students and readers visit this library to learn and read. Libraries teach us that knowledge is powerful. If you like learning about special places, please like, share and subscribe to Mini Mind Explorer. See you next time.